and digital, and happy Wednesday from all of us here at Socialized Marketing. Today we are located at the top of the Hoff here in downtown Boise, Idaho. And our topic for the middle of the week is, what is public relations and why do you need it? Public relations is defined as a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationships between organizations and their publics, according to the Public Relations Society of America. In other words, public relations is the voice of your brand that can create connections and build up your reputation. And public relations has many different uses such as brand building, reputation management, and media relations. According to the article published on Fido, 63% of a company's value comes from its public image. For more information on public relations or to talk to our public relations specialist, go check out all of our social media platforms or our website at getsocialized.com. Have a great day.